What's up, guys? So it's Sunday fun day. What? Time for this little legal meet type thing we got going on. I don't know. Something Tampa Bay Hoonigans are posting. But we're about to go out there. They said we can't get in trouble for doing donuts or anything. So, you know, me and the boys decided that we're gonna go ahead and load up every spare tire that we got laying around here. We're gonna go ahead and ride out there, see what it's about. So I think it's probably like an hour away. It started at 1 and it's currently 1. So we're gonna go ahead and ride out, test out the new wheel. It gets a little rowdy out there. I don't know how much we're gonna do, but I'd rather do it the legal way than get arrested for it, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see you guys on the way out there. What? Rolling now. Just pulled up. Looking wild. What up, boy? What you getting ready? Oh, trying to get a little stick. Get that little footy. So we're gonna let the cars cool off. Took us like maybe 2 hours to get here. Traffic was kind of bad, but doesn't look like there's anywhere off in the cut. So we're gonna go watch a little bit and then probably come back and pick up the car and go jump in line to shred. What? Told us shut the car off, leave it right there. Come stand over here. What? They got the helicopter out here. Spike strips.
Are you so serious right now?
What?
He's like middle of jacking his shit up right here.
Yeah, he's like in the middle of it. These guys are pissed.
They had nothing better to do today.
Well, we're back. Me and Codes made it to this gas station. We're just waiting on JD. They pretty much just took our ID, ran it, let us go after making us stand in the heat for 30-45 minutes. So I mean, we didn't even get trespassed or anything like that, so we made it out of there clean. But I don't know, it turns out the legal breast cancer awareness month, or breast cancer awareness meet, was not so legal. I guess the cops shut that shit down super fast. They were like, they're saying that it's legal, but it's not legal. You don't have permission to be here. So, but I don't really know what we got planned for the rest of the day. We kind of got hit with a curveball, so we're trying to just make sure all the boys link back up, and then we'll oh look, we got another Dodge boy over here. What? Okay. But yeah, they're pretty much scattered along the way. Everywhere we look, you know, there's little groups of people who got kicked out of the meet with us. So at this point, we're pretty much just waiting for JD, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do. So I don't know what the plan is. I don't know if we're staying out here, headed back home, what we're doing, but we got a whole lot of tires and we're ready to party, baby. So we'll be back. What? Well, we got bad news, boy. I was calling JD. Nobody was answering. We just got the call from his girlfriend JD got arrested. We don't know for what yet. They said his bond's only $500. Cody's headed back to go pick up her and the car, so hopefully the car doesn't get impounded. But he wasn't doing anything while we were there, so I don't know what exactly they're getting him for. I guess we'll have to cross that bridge when we get there. But so JD got locked up. We got to go figure out what's going on, how to get him out. Once this girl gets back, we should know a little bit more, hopefully. But they got one of the boys, man. It sucks. This is supposed to be a legal meet. It's supposed to be for breast cancer. We were supposed to make donations. They made it. Oh boy. So we got JD's car. We got JD's girlfriend, Shelby. Yes, she has the same name as me. And let's figure out where we go from here.
They just got him sitting in the back of the car. Who knows how long he's gonna even be at, like, until he's at the jail.
Alright, so we're on our way back to my house. We're gonna call a bondsman out there, see if we can't get a bond set up for once he gets in there. But yeah, pretty much we're gonna all regroup back at my house. That way we can go pick him up all in one car. I hope he's alright in there, man. Polk County, that's not where you want to be. Sucks today turned out the way it did, but it'll be alright. Just gotta get the boy home and safe, and we'll figure it out from there. This has kind of turned into a rescue mission. We're supposed to be going to shred some tires, and now we're trying to free the boy. So we'll make the best of it though. We'll get back, maybe we'll have enough time for some donuts in one of the local lots. So we'll see you guys when we get back. What? What's up, guys? So it's the next day. It's like 10:30. We're getting ready to head out for work. I just realized I left you guys on kind of a cliffhanger there last night, so I figured I'd give you guys an update on what's going on with the boy. So his bond is basically paid for him to get out. We're just waiting on them to release him. Like, basically almost 50 people got arrested last night. Almost, I think it was like over 15 cars or something crazy. So I mean, I think it was pretty much a setup. You know, it was a legal spot that they had, or we had done in the past, and I think they had pretty much just said, we're just going to continue to do this, take everybody's donations or whatever. But they didn't have permits, they didn't have anything that they had told everybody to, and they even said, you know, if the cops come, don't run, you're safe, you know, we're supposed to be here, we're allowed to be here. And then we show up and almost 50 people get arrested. We're basically met with like 30 cops that surrounded us. The only way in my mind that would happen is if they knew it was gonna go down and didn't tell anybody. So basically a bunch of people got arrested, bunch of cars got impounded to try and make a statement. I don't know if it was a fake car meet from the beginning or what, but it got pretty crazy. And I'm glad, you know, me and Cody made it out of there, and I'm glad JD's not, you know, in too much trouble. You know, we'll be all right. We just got to get him out. But yeah, so we're basically just waiting for him to get out. I am now headed to work, and I should be off at like 5, so, you know, short little day for me. What? So that's pretty much all we got. You know, we got to get the boy out. Got set up at a car meet pretty much, and a bunch of people got arrested, you know, and it's extremely sad. It's crazy, and I hope this isn't a regular thing. So we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys liked it. You know, please like, share, subscribe, show all your friends, and you know, comment down what you guys think about this whole sting operation or whatever they had going, and we'll see you guys next time. What?